Hello everyone, welcome to our my channel. Get the fact why acrylic nails are a more than a just beautiful trend. Are you consider applying acrylic nails for a social occasion, or just want to learn more about them? In this essay, we are exploring the effect about the increasingly popular beauty trend and why it's more than just style. From how they are applied and monetized to their health benefits. Get ready to explore all there is to know about oracle nails. You have oracle nails in nails salons around your town or on Instagram. And you may have even conducted it for the yourself. Acrylic nails are now more than just a beautiful trend, and many people don't know the effect about them. In in this post, we are looked